Alright, what we're looking here is a 2017 Audi Q7. Auto start stop system is not working. Had a code in the data bus OBD interface, or data bus interface OBD, whatever you want to call it, one of the gateway modules. The code was U105000, and you don't get a lot of information on that. But I'm going to make this very simple for you, because even when I looked it up, actually it said LIN bus was on one wire and nothing, the other wire just wasn't used. And I found another one that said LIN bus, and then I think this was supposed to be from the positive, which I think was correct, because as you see, we have the blue wire here from the positive side run through all this giant length of wire, which was actually in a ball underneath the tape here. It was like, I mean, you can see all the squiggles in it. That's because it was literally rolled up and tied up together. I had to unravel and untie it. It was just like a big scrunchy ball, and it runs over to, so it runs from this positive here down your cable into a big ball right here underneath the tape, and then runs backwards back to right here. So I'm going to tell you what you should see right here is on this, it's like a violet with a white tracer wire. That is your LIN bus. You should see square wave communication here from, I think, 10 to 0, 0 to 10. Then here, obviously, comes from the power cable. This should have power on it. Now what that code means is that there is no communication from the data bus OBD to this slave module, i.e. the intelligent battery sensor. So the data bus OBD, which controls the battery and charging and all, is not communicating with the intelligent battery sensor, which means it cannot tell the state of charge of the battery, whether the battery is charging or discharging. So this could have an impact on your battery life and your charging ability, and your auto start and stop will not work. And what the problem is, as I've already fixed, is when you run down here and you find this big ball of wire here with this unnecessarily long length of wire that could have been a single wire from here to here. They ran it down into here, made a ball with two different wires, and they have a splice here. And I don't know what they used to splice it together, but it's garbage. I don't know if it's solder or they just twist them and then cap them, because it did have a cap on it. I don't know what I tossed it. I stepped on it already. This was the cap, and as you can see, maybe there's solder in here or a crimp or whatever, I don't know. But when I pull it off, there's nothing here. Like, the wires aren't connected, and then you see the two ends of the wires are just sitting here like this, and they're just corroded off and they're not touching or anything. So there's no power getting to this pin right here, which I think is pin 2. So the blue wire should have power, and then this other wire should have LIN communication, and it corrodes inside of this factory splice. Like I said, I don't know why they have a splice there. This literally only goes from there to that connector, and it could have been one wire. But instead they chose to use two wires and splice them together, and it corrodes. And then you get the U105000 code. No communication with battery control module is what the description says. And this is likely to be your fault. I would check this first before replacing that cable. Check you got good LIN communication here, which if you didn't, then you might have a different code. And then check if there's power on the blue wire. And if you don't have power on the blue wire, follow it out, unravel this cacophony of mess, and fix that splice, because that's likely what your problem is, and you can save yourself or a customer a couple $100, because I think this piece from Audi is like $200 or $300. So check this first. Hope this helps somebody. Thanks for watching.